The second, we just make the solid block and we make this hole later. Okay. Second should be a cylinder. For this cylinder, we do not use rotate. We can just make a circle and extrude it. Yeah. And here, we click to this sketch, and we can select plane to create the sketch or our existing sketch to edit. We always select the original plane, but if there is a feature, we make a new sketch, we can select the surface of existing feature. Like I just select this one, and this surface just turn to us, and I make the circle snap to the central point. What is the size of this? What is the size of this circle? What is the design intent? 30, 64. Should we click here and dimension 64? Is it correct? It's wrong. It's wrong. Look here. For the design intent of this, it should be this, the cylinder, the diameter of the cylinder should always be the exact same size as the first big circle. So, in this case, we shouldn't use this, because in this case, if we dimension this, what if we change the size of the central circle in the base? These two sides do not match to each other. So we just delete this, sorry. It's about the dimension, select this dimension, delete it. And look, after I delete, the color changed. Okay? We can make equal constraint. Equal constraint for this and this. The size of this are always equal to each other. Also, I just delete this. Let me see. Delete. Okay. And when I make this circle, I snap to the center point, and when the size of this will snap to this arc. You see the color? It's dark blue. That means it's fully constrained in shape and size. In this case, we even do not need to make that constraint. We just accept the constraint, the equal constraint. And we finish sketch. Okay. And we extrude which size? Which size? How much?
13. I can't remember, but it's the depth.
33?
No, that's for the back.
13.
How much?
13.
Yeah.
1, 3?
No. 33 minus 14.
40?
33
No, it's 33.
minus 14.
This 33? Okay. 33? This big?
Minus 14.
This should be 33 minus 40?
Yeah.
14?
Yeah, 14.
That should be what?
Size of the depth of the figure.
Cylinder.
Okay. This extrusion, I finish it, so I want to edit. When you want to edit a feature, you just select it in the Explorer, select it, and right-click. Here is we can edit sketch, we can edit the feature, when we edit the feature, the process of the definition of this feature show up again. We can adjust the size. Of course, from this surface to this size shouldn't be 33 because the overall height is 33. So let's make it as what? 19. Okay. Then the overall size is 33, but I told you this is wrong. This is wrong. Because look, the design concept of this is what? The overall size is 33. The height of the base is 14. If we change the thickness of the base, the overall height do not change.
So is there a way to first make the solid, make it 33 thickness, and then remove the two sides to 14?
That is one solution. But I want to show you. You know this is wrong. This is wrong because in this case, like if I change, I edit this, the height of the base, edit the feature. If the height is not 14, it's just 4, and click edit. You see, the overall height is what? We can mirror. There is a tool. We mirror this distance and we rotate. The size is just 23. Okay. Actually, in the real design, if we change the thickness of the base, it shouldn't be change the overall height. So what? I just go back. I edit this. Edit the second extrusion. It should be 33, but not in this direction. If I change, it's in this direction. What if in this direction? If this feature, the thickness of this feature is in this direction, of course, the overall size is 33. And in this case, if we change the thickness of the first feature, the base, the overall height do not change. Okay, that is, in the feature level, we should reflect our design concept, design idea. So I just roll back. Okay, this is what we want.